Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to discuss the topic integration. So here we have the example for volume. Sketch the graph of 2y equals to x plus 3 and y squared is equals to 4x. Then find the points of intersection. Then find the region bounded by the two curves and is rotated about the x-axis through 360 degrees. Find the volume of the solid generated. So first task, we are going to find the points of intersection between the two graphs. So here we have 2y equals to x plus 3. Y squared is equals to 4x. So we have a straight line and a parabolic equation. So kindly express the situation y is equals to x plus 3 over 2. Then substitute the situation into the parabolic situation. So we will have x plus 3 bracket square over 4 is equals to 4x. Cross multiply the situation and then expand the situation on the left. So x squared plus 6x plus 9 is equals to 16x. X squared minus 10x plus 9 is equals to 0. X minus 9, x minus 1 equals to 0. So the x will be equals to 9 and x will be equals to 1. The value of y will be equals to 6 when the value of x is 9. And the value of y will be equals to 2 when the value of x is 1. So meaning that we have 2 points of intersection. Next, we are going to sketch the graph for y squared equals to 4x. This is a parabolic equation. So first, compare the situation with the standard form where we have y minus k bracket square is equals to 4p bracket x minus h. And the graph will be something like this. It depends if p is less than 0. For the right hand side, the p is greater than 0. So if we compare, we will have y minus 0 bracket square is equals to 4 bracket x minus 0. So from here, we can obtain the vertices or the vertex for the situation where we have hk. So in here, the vertex will be 0, 0, or we said the origin. Next, find the value of p. Kindly compare 4p is equals to 4, where p is equals to 1, where the p is greater than 0, so meaning that the curve will open towards the right. So in here, we also need to emphasize that distance between, number 1, the vertex and the focus. Second, the vertex and the directrix. So for the situation p greater than 0, so the situation open to the right. So meaning that the situation would be something like this. Origin, then open towards the right. So the origin will be 0, 0. So we have 1 unit, meaning that the focus will be 1, 0. So that is the basic idea for the graph of the parabolic equation. So now we are going to sketch the graph for the parabola equation. So here we have the origin, so meaning that the curve will be something like this. Given the name, we have y squared is equals to 4x. Next, we are going to sketch the straight line, where we have y is equals to x plus 3 over 2. And as we all know, we have the point where we have 1, 2, and 9, 6. So now we have 2y is equals to x plus 3, or we can express y is equals to x plus 3 over 2. So kindly refers to the questions. The question asks us to find the region bounded by the two graphs. So here will be the region, where the coordinate will be 1 and 9. The question asks us to rotate about the x-axis. Find the volume. So now refers to the formula. The question mentioned that rotate about the x-axis, meaning that the situation will be pi y sub 1 square minus y sub 2 square with respect to x. So kindly observe to the graph, and we have the basic knowledge, meaning that the longest one minus the shortest one. So the longest will be the curve, the parabolic curve, and the shortest will be the straight line. So kindly substitute the situation into the formula. So if the question mentioned 360 degree, meaning that here will be pi. So the situation will be pi integrate. The longest function would be y square. So we have 4x minus, the shortest one will be the straight line, so we will have y squared with respect to x. For the limits 1 until 9, do remember here we have y squared, so no longer need to square for the second time. And for this case, it is only y. That's why we need to square the situation. So kindly simplify the situation. And we have integrate 4x minus x plus 3 square over 4 with respect to x. Here we have pi. So integrate the situation, and we will have 2x squared minus x plus 3 to the power of 3 over 12. For the limit 9 and 1, multiple with the pi. So if we substitute 9, we will obtain pi bracket 18 minus, if we substitute 1, and we will obtain negative 10 over 3, meaning that we will obtain plus 10 over 3. So finally, the answer for volume will be 64 pi over 3 unit cube. So here we are, and thanks for watching.